I want to show you guys this brand new sneaker bag I just got by Crease Guards. This sneaker bag is straight fire, and what's great is that it's affordable and cheaper than the competitors. When you guys use my discount code Danny40, you're going to receive 40% off your entire bag. As you guys can see, you could hold up to 4 pairs of sneakers. These dividers come out, they move around. You can put your sneakers, clothes, everything you need with you when you're traveling inside of one bag. What I also love is they come with a warranty, which is amazing, and with your purchase as well, you also get another bag. And inside of this bag, check this out. I'm going to put that bag down and check this out. You have another pair of sneakers inside of this bag. No extra purchase necessary. This comes with your bag. Make sure you guys check them out. Make sure you guys check out Crease Guards. And while you're checking them out, they also, of course, have crease protectors. The best crease protectors. These are amazing. I'm going to do a full video on these. These are going to help you prevent creases on your sneakers. If you guys would like to cop the Crease Guards or the sneaker bag, use my code Danny40 to save yourself 40% off. That's almost half off. You're going to save a lot of money. Click the link down below in the description. Thank you, Crease Guards, for sponsoring this video. Make sure you guys check them out, please. They are a brand new sponsor of the channel, so please make sure you guys check them out. Show me love, show them love, show support, and please make sure you guys click the link, check them out for crease protectors and that fire sneaker bag. That bag is straight fire and cheaper than the competitors. Like I said, make sure you guys check them out. Inside of my Crease Guard sneaker bag, I have a sneaker here that I'm actually going to be giving away. Not this exact version. This is the 2019 pair of Bred 4s, but I am giving away a pair, that's right, of the reimagined leather Bred Air Jordan 4s to one of my subscribers, you guys watching this video. To enter this free sneaker giveaway, all you guys need to do is smash that like button. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what size you need in the Bred 4s. They will run true to size. Leave a comment. Let me know what size you need, and then take a picture. Take a screenshot. DM me on IG. Danny Moore 2369. Send me proof that you guys subscribed here to my YouTube channel. Good luck on the reimagined Bred 4 giveaway. Make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in. Good luck. The giveaway will end at the end of January when we get closer to the release date of the reimagined Bred 4s. And don't worry, I will be giving away a few pairs. So if you don't win the first pair, don't worry, you will have multiple chances to win a pair of reimagined Bred 4s. Good luck, and like I said before, please make sure you guys check out Crease Guards. Make sure you guys check them out for sole protectors and that fire sneaker bag. Use my code Danny40. Save yourself 40% off your order. Link down below in the description. Avoid buying these. Trust me, avoid paying retail. You will have time to get these at a much better price than retail price. Avoid buying these for now. Happy New Year. This is my last video of 2023. 2024, we'll be back with brand new sneaker content. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up and make sure you guys subscribe. Happy New Year to the Moore family. Happy New Year to my subscribers. Happy New Year to you watching this video. Thank you guys so much for the love and support that you guys have shown me throughout all of 2023, all the past few years. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. Now, let me tell you guys, we got to talk about these sneakers. I'm telling you guys, avoid buying these right now. Retailing at $180. These got pushed up, and this sneaker is releasing in 2024, the beginning of 2024, in about 2 weeks, actually from today, I believe, we are getting this sneaker. They're loaded up finally on the Nike Sneakers app. And yeah, I'm going to tell you guys right now, avoid buying these for retail. These are going to sit heavy on the Nike Sneakers app. Every retailer, these are going to sit online as well as in store. These are going to be discounted quickly, in my opinion. I think we'll be able to even see them on release day, already off the jump. We'll see some retailers selling them for under retail. Do not buy these, especially for over retail. That's a no-no. Definitely not. And for retail, still, no, avoid it. Avoid it. Avoid it. When you can save money, why not? When you can save a few dollars in today's day and age, why not? If you can go save $40, $50 on this shoe, why not? That's why I'm telling you guys to avoid buying these for now. I do think that when they release, you guys will be able to get them very, very, very easily, no problem whatsoever. In fact, I dropped a video the other day talking how I think this sneaker will wind up at the Nike outlets. Yes, so if you guys want to see that video and check it out a little bit more in detail, go ahead and check out that video, the unboxing. I did get these from Hype Supply, so shout out to Hype Supply over on Instagram. If you guys want to get early sneakers, you can tell them that I sent you. So send them a DM and let them know that I sent you. Shout out to Hype Supply for sending these over. I did pay for them, but yeah, it's just a pair that, man, it's not going to go for even retail. I got these for under retail early, which is unheard of and questionable to me. I don't really understand that. If it's early, how's it under retail? If someone could explain that to me down below in the comments, that would be awesome. But right here, we have, the Air Jordan 1. We do have a special box, a little bit different of a box, and these are the yellow ochres. Avoid paying retail for the yellow ochre Air Jordan 1. There's no reason to pay retail for this sneaker when they do release. These are going to be an easy cop. They're going to sit at every retailer on the sneakers app, every retailer online, in store. These are going to sit. They're going to sit hard. They do remind me a lot, and I'm sure a lot of you guys, of the Rookie of the Year Air Jordan 1s. They're so similar. They're extremely similar. However, in today's day and age, I just don't think people are going to care. When the Rookie of the Year's released, if you guys remember, people didn't really care. Those were slept on as well. I think these are going to be more slept on than the Rookie of the Year's. I think people that don't want to spend that money on the Rookie of the Year but like and want the Rookie of the Years are going to go out and cop these for well under retail. So I think the Rookie of the Years are a great shoe, but at this point, I think those are going to be harder to sell when you can go cop something like this for a lot cheaper. I think in today's day and age, people are just going with the alternatives at what's a lot more affordable. And yeah, these are definitely more affordable than the Rookie of the Year Air Jordan 1s. Releasing January 13th now. It was January 27th. It looks like it got pushed up about 2 weeks. So these are releasing retail $180. And I'm just telling you guys now, avoid buying these for that resale price. That retail price, excuse me. Resale, don't even talk about resale. There's not going to be any resale. Definitely not going to be any resale on these. So yes, avoid buying these for that full retail price. Even on release day, I am expecting them to be on sale, possibly even discounted on release day through certain retailers. You'll be able to hopefully use your points, and if it's at manager's discretion in store if they allow you to. So hopefully the managers are smart about this one and allow customers to use those points, because otherwise, the shoe is just going to sit even harder. Managers in retailers, in my opinion, should allow you to always use the discounts when you have them, when you build it up. You should be allowed to. It's really at the manager's discretion. And on hype releases, I'll say they don't let you. Most stores, something like this, they certainly should, even on release day, because otherwise the shoe's just going to sit even harder. So they definitely should allow you to. Hopefully your local stores will allow you to. Check in with the manager. It's really at manager's discretion that day. So yeah, let me know if you guys are going to be able to cop. If you guys are going to cop the Jordan 1 yellow ochre, you will not have a problem getting these, I promise. Not have a problem at all. It's going to be an easy cop. The yellow ochres releasing on January 13th, January 13th, retailing at $180. Let me know down below in the comments, are these a cop? Are they a drop? If you guys are copping, you plan on copping, please comment a bunch of fire emojis down below in the comments. If you guys plan on passing for whatever reason, please comment a bunch of trash emojis. I want to see who's going to cop the yellow ochre Air Jordan 1s and who's not. Personally, easy pass, I think these are okay, but in easy pass, I prefer the taxi yellow toe Jordan 1s so much better. And I'm just wasn't a fan of, the Rookie of the Year. So these, for me, are an easy pass. So let me know what you guys think about them down below in the comments. Trust me, these are going to sit. They're going to sit hard. The Jordan 1 yellow ochre. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe. And please, Once again, make sure you guys check out Crease Guards, and you will get a warranty with your purchase for your bag, which is awesome. You get a warranty as well. And they also, of course, have crease guards. So make sure you guys check them out. Link down below in the description. Use my code Danny40 for 40% off. That's almost half off. It's taking a lot of money off. Make sure you guys check them out. Link down below in the description. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never going to stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.